So we're going to look at dividing or quotient property here, and these can get tedious. There's a lot to think about. And so let's jump in. First things first, I would say if you see anything on the top and the bottom of the fraction that you can immediately divide out to equal 1, then do that. A lot of times we say it cancels out. So 4 and 4, right? Those cancel. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So those are kind of gone. Nothing else is like immediately able to just mark through, right? So I have this 2 left. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it over. If it's on the bottom of the fraction, it stays on the bottom, like unless there's something else that's going to move it. But we haven't done anything with it. I'm just going to go ahead and bring it over so I don't forget about it. All right, let's focus on the a's next. I have a cubed over a squared times a to the 4th. Well, you know, with the product property that if you're multiplying the same base, the same variable or number, you write that base down and then you add the exponents. 4 plus 2 is 6. So I've got a cubed over a to the 6th. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. I'm going to show you this way just because we're not going to get into negative exponents today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least not in this video. All right, so I've written out a cubed as a times a times a, and then a to the 6th. I wrote it out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Now, notice that these a's would divide to equal 1. So nothing left on top but a 1. And then on the bottom, a times a times a is a cubed. So that means that right now I have a 1 on top, which I had anyway because 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then a cubed is in the denominator. Okay, now let's do the b's. So on the top, I've got b to the 4th. And on the bottom, I've got b to the 1st. So be really, really mindful that that is not b to the 4th. It's b to the 1st times a to the 4th. So b to the 1st. Okay, so using the method that we just used, we would say b times b, and then do that 4 times over one of those. So those two would cancel, leaving as b times b times b, which is b cubed, over 1, which is just b cubed. So the b cubed is going to go up here on top. I'm going to actually change that 1 to a b cubed because it would be 1 times that, and we don't ever see that understood 1 in front. Now that's a lot. That's a lot. You may want to go back and try it again and then watch parts of this again. Or maybe even watch another where we're doing some more quotient property. Okay. I hope it was helpful.